Softies, I cannot believe that I'm saying this, but I'm getting ready to go to UCT for the very first time. Like, I've never been on the campus before. I need to sort out getting a student card. I managed to register this week online, and apparently classes have already started, so I missed like I think 3 days. I've missed like 3 days already. I don't know how I feel. I don't even know where I'm going right now. Like, I don't know where to put the Uber ride, but I'm thinking of just putting like Sarah Batman Hall or like the Leslie Social Building. Like, I don't know. I really don't know. Definitely carrying a jacket or a hoodie because yeah. student card, it has been a whirlwind. Like, I've still been so shocked, very much shocked that I got in. Like, I honestly do not know how I'm gonna cope, how I'm gonna manage it all, but I'm just gonna trust God with it because He gave me this opportunity. Today's Saturday, so I'm just doing some readings, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go and buy some stationery. And not stationery, like I already have stationery, I just need to buy like a few items. I'm not gonna lie, like when I went on the campus, it was a little bit intimidating because I have never ever been on the campus before, and I just stepped there. Like I literally just Ubered straight to like the Sarah Batman hall, and I don't even know if like that's where the classes were. Like I didn't know anything. I just went and then started walking and asking around. But anyways, what did I want to say? Right now I'm just reading up on like the course outline. Yeah, I have a lot of readings to do, like it's a lot of readings, but it's okay. Oh, and I wanted to vent also, like honestly, like transitioning from a different university to like UCT is like, it's hard because like there's literally nobody to like guide me through this transition. Okay, there are people that I can probably reach out to that would be willing to help, but it's like I have to figure everything out on my own, so that's like what's difficult to me. So anyways. Welcome to another day in this vlog. Today I'm going to campus once again. I managed to do some work beforehand. I have 3 lectures today, but I'll only be attending 1 because I missed the first 2. Because do I have an excuse? No, I don't have an excuse. Yeah, I wanted to leave at 7 a.m. to attend because I wanted to take public transport to be there on time for the 9 a.m. lecture, but I was just running late. Okay, that's the excuse. I was running late. Anyways, I'm going to attend that 1 lecture, and then after that I'll go to the library. Hi Sophie. Currently 9 p.m. I'm just about to take some Panado because, yeah, let me tell you something. That campus, the amount of stairs that I climbed today was insane. It was literally insane. I got back, my body was in pain, my legs were hurting, I had a headache. I don't know from what, but it was wow. So after my classes, I just ended up going to like town to explore the city a little bit. Not explore, I was trying to like get it right, but then I ended up exploring. I just finished drafting an email to send tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. I want to find out whether I can do this course over 2 years instead of 1. Like I genuinely would not be able to complete this over 1 year because it's a lot of work. Like I'm looking at all these lectures that I'm missing and I'm just like, girl, it's a lot. Like it's a lot of work and it's a lot of in-person classes and I'm missing a lot because I have to be at work, so I can't, can't just be like, bye, I'm leaving. Like the job is paying the rent. I'm just gonna continue my readings for the night. I have a lot of readings to do. I have like 2 million readings to do, and then I'll see you when I go to the mall or to the library or on campus again. It is a few days in this vlog and I basically just wanted to show you guys what I bought. The first thing I bought is this shorthand pad. It just has like normal pages on it. I love these for like brainstorming sessions or even just simplifying assignments. And then I also bought this yellow notepad. I wanted like an exam book or exam pad, but then I saw this yellow one and I was like, this is actually nice. So I got this one. I think I'll use this for like, I don't know what I'll use this for. Like I genuinely don't know what I'll use it for, but it's cute, so I bought it. Next up, I got another notebook. This is actually for my Bible study notes because I ran out of pages in the one that I have and I haven't so I needed to replace it. So I just bought this. It's 180 pages. I bought everything from Pen A. I also bought this 0.5 gel pen. I also bought this pink pen. It's just a normal, I think it's just a normal black pen. I bought this for like my journal book. Last thing that I bought is this blush because I ran out. So I bought blush. These 2 items are from at home. Before I end the video, I also bought some hair fiber because I need to get my hair done. Like I need to do my hair, so I bought some hair fiber. So I think I'll do that tonight, but in the next video my hair will definitely be done. So that is literally it for my little shopping stationery haul. I already have like a lot of pens and highlighters, so I didn't feel the need to buy other stuff. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to join the self-fam. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
That's me, Miss 20-something. Ain't got nothing, running from love. Wish you were here. Oh, stuck on them 20-somethings. Stuck on them 20-somethings. Good luck on them 20-somethings. Good luck on them 20-somethings. God bless them 20-somethings. Hoping my 20-somethings won't end.